All right, everybody, 11:29, 46 seconds, February 4th. I'm sorry for the lengthy delay. I hope everybody saw the frozen attempt the first time I tried to attempt to do the mini. It just happens from time to time. It just froze. It didn't even get through one roll, so I had to reboot the computer to get it moving again. So again, this is mini number 1 for the Iron Man 1 and Tales of Suspense 40. Whoever comes in first gets the first 6 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next 2 filled in order of availability. So here we go. Roll number is 10. Pardon me. I don't know when my screen adjusted itself here. So here we go. That's 1. I don't know if random is down, which also happens from time to time because I can't get through one roll here, as everybody can see. Random is just not working. I don't know what else to say here. I'm going to see if actually my whole computer is frozen now that I notice it. I don't know exactly what's going on. The screencast is still going, but my computer is completely frozen. I'm taking this side video. I don't know what's going on, folks. As you can see, the video's been running for 1 minute and 24 seconds here on screencast, but it is completely frozen again. It froze at 1:30 and 23 seconds. We are now well into 11:30 and 23 seconds. We're now well into 11:31, as you can see. I'm going to have to reboot yet again. I'm really sorry for the delay. I just don't know what else to do. I don't know if screencast is just down or my computer is screwed. I just don't know at this point. So I do apologize. I'm going to pause this video at 2 minutes. I don't even know if I'm going to